YouTube. Today we got another POV photo shoot, but this time I'm gonna be going to the park since it's fall and all the orange colors. So yeah, we're gonna go see what we get. Okay, Oxbow Park. Here we are. I'm probably getting called a lazy ass when I pull this out, but bro, do I look like I need to run? No, I need to eat. That's what I need. This little path right here. Yo, but look, you see that yellow? The yellow leaves right there? I feel like that could work. Take pictures of like birds and stuff too. Are there any birds here? Going above speed limit. Got to picture this right here. Gotta go this way a little bit. Watch this. So I just got this GoPro actually, and apparently the battery lasts longer, so hopefully that's true, because if not, then this is most likely not recording right now. Drop by, bam. What does that look like? Like garbage. Bro, this weather is awesome. It's like chilly wind and warm sun still. I like it. I love it. I love it. Look at that calm water. Can't see. It's a little dark. Cool path. Little some. I hear noises down there, but I see no animals. So like, how's that even possible? Is that a house back there or something? Oh, look at this freaking mansion looking thing. Hold up. scary looking. What? What's going on? Anybody home? I feel like I want to like get off the path. I guess I can get better pictures. Like in there maybe, but let's keep walking. Let's go in here actually. Just kind of clear my way, scooter. Please and thank you. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what we can make here. I like how you can see the reflection or whatever. Hold on, you're not recording anymore? No more. Oh. Alright guys, peace out. It's done.